When was the last time you laughed so hard your stomach hurt, your eyeliner ran, and you almost peed your pants? If you have to think about it, it's been too long. Some of us are out here treating laughter like dessert, only allowed when we finish all our work, our errands, our caregiving, and being a responsible human stuff. But here's the real deal. Laughter is not the dessert. It's the whole damn entree. Boom! Regular laughter lowers stress hormones, boosts immune function, and increases endorphins. Basically, it's your body's way of saying, hey girl, let's hit reset without needing to fly to a tropical island to do it. Here's a shocker that I did not sign up for. We women tend to laugh less as we age, and not because we're suddenly boring. It's because we carry more of a mental load, more invisible labor, and more eyebrows permanently raised. I'm trying to raise mine. It's hard to deep belly laugh when you're the unpaid project manager of everyone's lives. So consider this. When we laugh, it lights up multiple parts of our brain: memory, mood, creativity, even pain regulation. So let's do a gut check. Raise your hand if any of these apply. You've laughed at a meme harder than at any conversation this week. Your last real laugh was from a toddler or a dog. You've rewatched that one TikTok dozens of times because it still cracks you up. Yep, me too. This week, let's create an LOL emergency kit. Fill it with 3 to 5 things that are guaranteed to make you laugh. Could be a goofy selfie of you with a facial mask and hair rollers. It could be that 12-second dog video that just sends you every time. Or it could be that screenshot of that group chat moment when somebody typed ducking and clearly they didn't mean ducking. Stash it in your phone, your purse, or your actual nightstand. Because when the day gets heavy, you may need it. Ladies, listen. We don't need permission to laugh. We need to laugh. It's a way to remember who we are underneath all the obligations. It's joy, it's resistance, it's healing, and child, it's free. So go ahead, laugh your ass off this week. Laugh loud, laugh long, laugh often. And you can thank me later. That's it for now. I'll see you next week for Battle Plan 33, Diffusing Saboteurs. Until then, be well.